Hello, my friend. Today we are going to learn about verb to be. About verb to be. We are going to learn about verb to be. The verb to be is one of the most fundamental and versatile verbs in Tigrinya. It serves several crucial functions in the language. And particularly, we will cover about singular forms, present tense in this video. Am means iye, am, allohu, or iye, am. Ane, iye, I am. Ane, iye, am. أنا أبلع اللهو. أنا أبلع اللهو. I am eating. Allahu comes at the end of the sentence in Tigrinya. The verb to be comes at the end of sentence. They complete the sentence. أنا أبلع اللهو. I am eating. The equivalent of is are EU, allo, ia, Allah. EU, allo for male gender, ia, Allah is for female gender. Esu, EU, he is. Esu, EU, he is. Esu, حنبس allo. Esu حنبسالو. He is swimming. He is swimming. Issa iya. She is. Issa تدقس Allah. She is sleeping. And we are going to learn about are and its equivalents in Tigrinya now. Iha, alloha, ihi, allohi. Iha, alloha for male, for male gender. Ihi, allohi is for female gender. Let's see the examples. Scha, icha, you are. Scha, icha, you are. Scha, تنبب اللغة. Scha تنبب اللغة. You are reading. Schi, ichi. Schi, ichi. You are. Schi, تمهاري اللغي. You are learning. Allohi comes at the end of the sentence. Revision. Ane, iye, I am. Scha, icha, you are. This is for male. Schi, ichi, for female. You are, for female. Esu, EU, he is. Esu, EU. Essa, iya, she is. Essa, iya, she is. Iya is. Ane, emetsi, allohu. I am coming. I am coming. Am, allohu. Esra, تمتس اللغة for male. You are coming. You are coming. Are اللغة. السخي تمتسي اللغي for female. You are coming. You are coming. اللغي are. السو تمتس اللو. He is coming. السا تمتس الله. السا تمتس الله. She is coming. Next we will cover the plural forms of the same structures that we have learned. Now let's revise them. Let's revise them. is iye. The equivalent of is iye allohu. Iye allohu. Iye allohu. And the equivalent of is are iyu, allo, iya, Allah. And please remember, iyu and allo is for male gender, iya and Allah is for female gender. And the equivalent of are icha, allocha, ichi, allochi. Icha and allocha is for male gender. Ichi and allochi is for female gender. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video, my friend.